This is the RPM1870, an 18-channel powered mixer with Bluetooth, a 7-band EQ, 16 different 24-bit effects, phantom power, and much more. This 750 watts powered mixer is perfect for professional and DJ setups, gigs and concert halls, school and conference events, karaoke, coffee houses, live events, houses of worship, and then in home use for band practices, house parties, and other custom applications. But before I say anything else, let's go to Perry, who has a demo set up for us.
What's up, guys? So here I am with the RPM1870 all set up and ready to go. Got my passive speakers connected to the mixer, and I also got my Bluetooth device connected to the mixer to play some music. So let's go ahead and hear how it sounds. Sounds really good. Can you go up on volume a little bit? Yeah, that's awesome. Now, of course, we can set up different microphones or instruments to the mixer using the XLR and quarter-inch inputs. So I've got a microphone connected to channel 1, so from there I can raise the gain and the fader for channel 1. And now if I talk into the microphone, check 1, 2, you should be able to hear my voice. We can also use the effects processor to give our voice or instrument some extra flair. So to do that, I'm gonna select the preset by using the preset select knob here. We have a bunch of different effects we can choose from between the reverbs, delays, etc. For today, let's set it to preset 8, which is a reverb and delay. We can use parameters 1 and 2 to adjust the sound of the effect. And then we'll want to raise the effects knob on our channel to send our microphone signal through the processor. And lastly, we want to raise the effects fader here at the bottom. Check 1, 2, and now you'll hear the effect coming through my voice. Again, we have a bunch of different effects we can choose from, so I can use this selector to go to preset 13, which is a chorus. Check 1, 2, and now I have a chorus effect on. So between all of the different microphone inputs, the built-in effects, and the way that we can connect a smartphone or tablet to the mixer, it makes for a great karaoke setup. If we go into the YouTube app and search for any karaoke version of a song, grab our mic, slap on an effect, and start singing along to the music. Hey now, you're an all-star, get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star, get the show on, get paid. All that glitters is gold, only shooting stars break the mold, yeah!
Now this mixer has a super rugged design with carry handles on the side for increased portability and ease to move, and the mixer is super user friendly. There are 16 microphone/line channels, but each channel is exactly the same, so let's go through one now. On each channel there is a high quality XDR2 XLR mic preamp input for microphones, and right below that is a 1/4-inch high Z input/line input. You can use this input for instruments like guitar or bass, line level signal inputs, and even for microphones with 1/4-inch cables. You just have to set the gain knob and pad button accordingly depending on if you are using a mic, instrument, or line level signal. Each channel also has a 4-band high mid, low mid, and low EQ knobs, so you can boost or cut those specific frequency ranges around your preference. On top of the 4-band EQs per channel, there's also a master stereo 7-band EQ over here, so you can really fine-tune the sound of the mixer around your preference. And an EQ kill button if you want to bypass the master EQ. Each channel also has an aux knob that sends the channel signal to the 1/4-inch aux send over here, and a return 1/4-inch input, which you can use if you want to use external effects like compressors, reverbs, delays, etc. But you probably won't need to use external effects because the RPM1870 comes with 16 different effects like reverbs, delay, choruses, flangers, phasers, and rotary speakers. All the effects have 2 parameters that you can control, and they're all listed here on the mixer, so you just use the effects knob on each channel to mix in how much effect coming through that channel is permitted. Just make sure the effects fader is all the way up over here, as this controls the master amount of the effects send. You can also mute the effects going to all of the channels at any time using this mute button over here. Each channel also features a pan knob to set the stereo spread of placement of each signal coming through the mixer, and then there is a mute button to quickly mute the specific channel, a fader to set the overall post gain level of that channel in the main mix, and each channel also has a solo button, which if you click will allow you to hear just that channel through the headphones, which you can plug in headphones into this mixer with this 1/4" headphone jack over here. Now channel 1718 is the stereo channel and features RCA inputs for line level signals. Channel 1718 also has a 2-band EQ and a fader down here. This stereo channel is great for stereo synths, laptops, and also works with the Bluetooth module here that has a LCD display that allows us to toggle through the different inputs like USB and Bluetooth. The channel 1718 fader here and gain knob here controls the volume for anything connected through Bluetooth. Now over here we have a phantom power switch to activate 48 volts of phantom power if you're ever using a condenser microphone on any channel. There's also an RCA rec out where you can send the signal of everything coming through the mixer to a recording device and record everything. This is especially useful for conference talks, band practices, and live performances. And finally, we have our left and right master volume faders, which controls the overall volume of the whole mixer. On the back, we have our speak-on outputs as well as 1/4" speaker outputs to go to your passive speakers. And we have additional XLR left and right main outputs on the face of the mixer to send signal to another powered mixer, powered subwoofer, or active speakers, which is great for bigger professional setups. So if you're looking for a portable, powerful, and professional 18-channel powered mixer with Bluetooth and effects, look no further than the RPM1870 from Rockville.